iSYSTEM announced in the last weeks 2 cooperations with other companies. What is the reason for that?
The reason is a good question. The reason is always to find multiplicators, but what's behind that? It's iSYSTEM is concentrated and focused on embedded software test. As you know, we are traditionally a debugger and circuit emulator vendor, and we extended this portfolio into the test range. And in this area, we started a cooperation, for example, with Berner Mattner, because the question of testing is always, how do I find the right test cases systematically? Berner Mattner has a tool called CTE-XL Professional that is a graphical tool to find systematically the right test cases. And our test tool, Test Idea, is a test execution tool to execute test tiles on test cases on a real hardware. And these two worlds now work together, and it's now easier to find the right test cases. A second cooperation was more or less in the automotive area with Vector Informatik in Stuttgart. It's dedicated for ECU testing. Vector has a tool chain called Canoe XCP and XCP and AMD, and these tools now communicate also via an iSYSTEM debugger, an iSYSTEM blue box, via debug interface to a real target. So this might, first of all, it increases the test coverage. An engineer is now capable to do both, measure data via bus interfaces like CAN, LIN, FlexRay, for example, and in parallel monitor variables, data areas on an ECU. So this ensures really a deep look into an ECU at the same time. So these are the main cooperations we launched recently.
And does it mean you will have more cooperations? Because I can see this as a starter point for integrating your products and the products of your partners into a so-called ecosystem.
We already last year we did launch a lot of cooperations in this area, because you have to do that along the complete test and development process. So there are a lot of tools like modeling tools, for example, or other test tool vendors in this case. So it's going on, and so we want to give as much flexibility as possible to our customers.
Okay, that will be used in the future as well. What about the embedded area? General embedded area.
Yeah, there's one highlight that you see in the embedded area more and more Cortex projects, Cortex-based projects, and I think this will increase in the future too. So also we started a kind of Cortex launch of new tools. This starts from a self-building kit that you can download from our web. So we publish the schematics and all these kind of things. And then it goes up to a 50 euro tool, and you can go higher and higher up to a high-end trace tool. So it's a seamless way up. It depends on what you develop and what you want to achieve in your project.
So does mean you are a partner now in the ARM ecosystem as well?
Yeah, we are a partner in the ARM ecosystem for a long time. ARM is quite present in this market, and we see a big market there.
Okay, thank you very much, Aaron.
Welcome.